Alright, what is going on, guys? Here in Huntington Beach, brought the M4 to Cars and Copters 2025. I've never been to this event. It's gonna be a bunch of supercars, a bunch of hypercars. Just gonna be vlogging the whole event, see what's good. I've never been to Huntington Beach, and it's beautiful out here. God damn, look at that. That's the helicopter. Luckily, no one died. Fuck. Holy shit. Dude, they have headsets on, dude. What the fuck? This shit is crazy, bro. Oh shit. What the fuck? And you got a CS with a single turbo.
That's a big turbo too.
They're going plus the Bugatti.
God damn. Yeah, low key, there's no Bugattis. But damn.
There we go.
We got the door. What the fuck? Okay. That's detail. Alright guys, we got some wheels here from all 13 wheels. I'm thinking about getting this on the M4, or maybe something a little bit darker. Right. Damn. Crazy GTR. got Ronaldo's GT3. We got Mr. Stable Ronaldo's GT3 RS. Shit's hard. Got a McCleasy. The big body Cullinan.
N-I-N-E.
Damn. On BBS. Oh, look at the back. Sick ass. M3. Damn, that's hard. Oh, Bugatti Chiron? What the fuck? Dude, it's a Chiron. What the fuck? Oh, Giannis. God damn, dude. Coniston.
Rick.
God damn, dude, this shit is fucking crazy. All this shit. Yeah, W16. Got the Gara. I don't know. Damn. Record car. Carbon wheels. Sorry, a Gara S, dude. Holy shit. Dude, and then there's a fucking Regera over there.
It's good, like right here.
What the fuck? Regera, and then Regera. Damn.
Can you find them out?
Next to the 4GT. Fuck. Lamborghini Gallardo, dude, you can see the turbo sticking out from the back over there. What the fuck?
It's a big ass hair dryer.
Yeah. That's the alternator, man.
This guy.
That bike is crazy. Crazy ass GTR. Senna.
Oh, my God. Oh my God.
That shit is crazy.